Hello everyone. I welcome you all in this UPSC CSAT complete lecture series. Today we are going to start a new topic and that is Surds and Indices, or you can say power and exponents. Okay, and I'm very happy to tell you that we have almost covered every topic of aptitude. Okay, and next we will start the reasoning topic, but right now we have almost covered every topic, and this will be your last topic, that is this one, shorts and indices, right? And if you have any doubt in any topic, you can comment that one. Okay, and if anything is left out, we will cover in the extra sessions. Okay, so let's begin. And in this session, we will cover only important things. Whatever the UPSC is asking based on the pattern of PYQs, we will discuss that thing. Okay, and then the PYQs. Fine? Okay. So first, we have to understand the few laws. Okay, like let's say a to power b. So this is called power and this is called what? Base. In simple language you can understand, this is just power and this is base. Okay, so let's understand few things, like when you are multiplying the same number, when you multiplying the same number to n times, what will happen? It will be like a to the power n, right? Like for example, if I say we are multiplying 2 to 10 times, okay, so what will be our value? It will be 2 power 10. Okay, but one more thing, like if you are adding to n times, this is to n times, so what will be your value? It will be not this one, it will be n times a. Okay, for example, same example we are taking 2 plus 2 plus 2 like this to 10 times. Okay, simple, it will be 10 multiplied by 2, that will be 20. So there is a huge difference. Okay, so whenever there is a question like multiplication or addition, you have to understand like these values are completely different. Okay, so that's why you have to keep it in mind. Okay, either it's multiplication or addition, the value will be changed, it will be in power, this will be in multiplication. Got it? Okay, now next thing is about the multiplication. Like if I say a to the power m and that is multiplied by a to the power n, here you can see the base is same. Okay, when the base is same, it will be like a to the power m plus n, and whenever the base is same, the power will get added. Clear? But there is a simple condition, like a should not be 0. Why we are putting some condition? Because if a is equal to 0, 0 to the power m multiplied by 0 to the power n, so this will be undetermined, we can't determine the values of this one, like 0 to the power 2 or anything, we can't determine these values. That's why there is a condition like a should not be 0. Okay, fine. So here we have to add the powers. Okay, similarly, if we say a to the power m and that is divided by a to the power n, that will be a to the power m minus n. In case of multiplication we are adding this one, in case of division we are subtracting this one, just reverse of that one, I mean addition to subtraction. Clear? Okay, see, sometimes in UPSC they will ask direct question, sometimes they will ask indirect question. We will discuss later on like how they are asking the questions. Okay, and maybe this will be applicable in number system also. Okay, that's why we have to understand these rules. Okay, so next thing is when a to the power m and further we are getting a power n. Okay, complete power n. In that case it will be a to the power m multiplied by n. This will be multiplied. Got it? Okay, these are the main things. Now the simple things are like, if you are writing a to the power m, we can say it will be 1 by a to the power minus m. When you want to write the reciprocal of this one, this will be negative, or if it is a to the power minus m, it will be 1 by a to the power m. Like for example, it is 2 power minus 1, it will be 1 by 2. Okay, this will be reciprocal like this one. Okay, power will be 1. Whenever you write the reciprocal of this value, the base, the power will change, the sign will change, positive to negative or negative to positive. Clear? Second thing is distribution, like a b c, these are in multiplication, complete power is m, so you can distribute the power. It will be a to power m multiplied by b to the power m multiplied by c to the power m. You know the basic rules. Okay, it's very easy, but you have to understand this one, right? So next thing will be, like right now we have discussed about the multiplication, so we can say when a to the power m is, okay, by b, okay, complete power we are taking, so it will be a to the power m divided by b to the power m, or you can say a to the power m divided by b to the power m. It will be like a by b and power is m. Okay, right now we are, what we are discussing here, the base is different but power is same. Okay, right? Or whenever we are writing like a to the power m and multiplied by b to the power m, here the power is same but the base is different. In that case we can take the both base in the same bracket, like a multiplied by b and power is m. The same thing just we have discussed, like a b c and power is m. That is the same thing is this one, like a power m, b power m, c power m. This is the same thing. Okay, is it clear? Okay, one thing we have discussed right now, like a to the power m minus, I mean divide b to the power m. Okay, we have discussed this one. Sorry, not this one. Okay, 1 second. Like a to the power m divided by a to the power n. In that case we can write a to the power m minus n. Okay, that is the derivation we are going to do. Like when m is equal to n, what can be the possible thing? When m is equal to n, in that case we can say like a to the power m minus m. Okay, in this thing a to the power m minus m, that will be a to the power 0, so that will be 1. Okay, why it is 1? Because here you can see this thing, like a to the power m divided by, like this one, a to the power m. In place of n we are writing m. This can be cancelled, so it will be 1. So that's why there is a result like a to the power 0, anything to the power 0, that will be 1. Okay, but there is a twist. Twist is what? We can say like 1 to the power 0 is equal to what? 1. Okay, and 2 to the, sorry, not 2, 1 to the power 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so anybody will say like 1 to the power 0 is equal to 1 and 1 to the power 1 is equal to 1. Here the base is same, so power should be same. In that case 0 is equal to 1, but no, there is an exception. In this case there is an exception, like whenever there, and for this one, like a to the power 0, a to the power b, okay, and a to the power c. In that case, we can say when base is same, then power should be same. Okay, this is true, but this is not applicable in case of a is equal to 1. A should not be 1. Okay, this is an exception. So just keep it in mind, like a should not be 1. Rest in other numbers, this can be applicable. Got it? One more theory is we have to discuss about the root. Okay, whenever there is a root like this one, okay, if it is written like n, this is called nth root. Okay, just note it down. This is called nth root of a. So this will be like a to the power 1 by n. When nothing is given, simply this one is given. So this is called square root. Okay, square root, and that means this will be a to the power 1 by 2. In case of other numbers, other roots like cube root or power 4 root, in anything it should be written like, if it is cube root, it is written like 3. If it is root, written like a, and fourth root, it will be written like this one. Okay, so it will be like a to the power 1 by 3. This will be like a to the power 1 by 4. Okay, and if it is like 1, then it will be a to the power 1 by n. Is it clear? So we have to understand this one. Okay, now we will discuss some important things. Right now we have discussed the laws. Now we will discuss some properties or something like this one. Okay, fine. Like, what is square or square root? A square and a square root like this. Okay, then what we are trying to say is, when you write 2 multiplied by 2, when any numbers are in pair, they are multiplied. Okay, any number are in pair, they are multiplied, then that is called, this will become like 2 square. Okay, so this is called square value. Okay, value will be 4. Okay, so 4 is the square of which number? 2. Okay, similarly we can say 3 multiplied by 3, that will be 3 square, and that will be 9. So 9 will be square of which number? 3. Similarly you can say 4 multiplied by 4, that will be 4 square, and that will be 16. So 16 will be square of 4. Okay, and the reverse thing is, if you are writing like root 4, what is the square root of 4? So square root of 4 will be this one, 2. Square root of 9, and that will be 3. Square root of 16, that will be 4. How is this possible? Okay, how we are solving like this? Square root of 4 is equal to 2, square root of 9 is equal to 3, square root of 16 is equal to 4. How we can solve this one? Like, if you write square root of 4, we have discussed right now, we can remove this one, so it will be 4 power 1 by 2, right? And what we can write in place of 4? Can we write 2 power 2 in place of 4? So it will be 1 by 2. Okay, now you can see this is in the form of a to the power m power n. So just tell me what can be the value. It will be a to the power m multiplied by n, right? So here it will be like 2 power 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled out. So we have only 2. Okay, so 2 is our answer. Similarly for 9, root 9, we can write 9 power 1 by 2. In place of 9 we can write 3 square, and here is 1 by 2. So this will be multiplied together. So it will be 3 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled out. We have only 3, so 3 will be our answer. Similarly, we can solve for 4 or any numbers. Got it? So I think you have understood like what is square or square root. Okay, now let's see how to find like any number is square root or any number is square root of any number, which number, or by what number we can multiply. If that number is not a square of any number, what number can we multiply to make it a square? Okay, let's see an example. See, whatever method we are following, just note it down. It will be important for you. Okay, the question is smallest number by which 800 must be multiplied so that it is a perfect square. We have to make that number. By what number this number will be multiplied to make it perfect square. The smallest number it should be. Okay, so first of all we have to do what is prime factorization. I think you know what is prime factorization, right? If you don't know, just look at this one. It will be like 800. We have to factor by prime numbers. So first of all, you can see that it is in even number. Even number, that's why we can write 2. So when you divide 800 by 2, it will be 400. Never write any other numbers. First you have to write the smallest prime number, whether it is 2, 3, 5, whatever it is, just try the smallest prime number. Okay, then it will be 400. Again it is by 2, it is 200. Okay, by 2 it will be like 100. Okay, by 2 it will be like 50, and again by 2 it will be 25. Now 25 can't be divided by 2 or 3, it will be divided by 5. So by 5, again we can write here 5, and it is 1. So whatever numbers you can see in the left side, okay, these are the factors or prime factors. So we can say 800, that is equal to how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's are there. So it will be like 2 to the power 5. Okay, you can say 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and there are 2 5. Okay, in the left side only. So 2 5 means 5 or 5. So this can be written as 2 power 5, and this can be written as 5 square. Okay, and we have to make the square, we have to make a pair of every number. Whatever numbers are there, factors are there, we have to make a pair. So here is one pair, this is one pair, this is one more pair. Now this is just a single one. So if we multiply this complete number by 2, okay, this will become a pair again. Okay, and then that number will be a perfect square. Got it? So that means if you multiply this 800 by 2, it will be like 1600, and 1600 is a perfect square. Okay, so 2 will be our answer. Is it clear? So what we have to do is, whenever this type of question is asked, we have to first do is prime factorization, and then we have to make pairs or groups. Like in case of square, we have made pairs. In case of cube, we have to make the group of 3. Okay, let's see what is cube and cube root, then we will discuss that one also. Okay, so I think this is clear right now. Okay, if there is any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, till then let's move to the next section, next topic, that is cube and cube root. Okay, fine. So same thing is here also. Whatever method we are following, we have followed in the square and square root, same thing we will follow here also. Like if it is like this is cube, okay, that means cube means power is 3. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it will become 2 power 3. So whenever power is 3, and that is cube. Okay, and whenever power is 1 by 3, that is cube root. Okay, so this will become 8. So 8 is the cube of what number? 2. Similarly, you can write 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and that will be 3 power 3, and that will be 27. So 27 is the power cube of 3. Okay, so look at the language. We are saying like 27 is the cube of 3, and if it is said like what is the cube root of 27, so that will be 3. Or if we are saying that what is the cube of 3, cube of 3 is 27, and cube root of 27 is 3. That is right. Okay, fine. So let's try a same question, similar question like before we have done in square root. So same question is a number is given like 10976. Okay, this number is given, and by what number, smallest number we will multiply, smallest number we have to multiply to make it what? A complete perfect cube. We have to make a perfect cube. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to do a prime factorization of this one. Okay, so we will write 10976, and this is at the unit place it is 6, that means it's even number, so we will write 2. Okay, we will divide by 2, it will be 5 4 8 8. Again it is even number, so dividing by 2 it will be like 2 7 4 4. Okay, again dividing by 2 it will be like what? 1372. Again by 2 it will be like 686. By 2 it will be 343. By 7 it will be not divided by 2, then by 3 it can't be divided, by 5 it can be divided, by 7 it will be like 49. So again it is by 7 it is 7, by 7 it is 1. So when you write in place of this one, we can write how many 2's are there? 5. So it will be like 2 2 2 2 and 2, and how many 7 are there? 3. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So we have to make a group of 3, because here is we have to find the cube. Okay, perfect cube we have to make. So group of 3 means this is a group of 3. Okay, this is a group of 3, and here this is, I mean this is just two numbers. Okay, we have to multiply by 2 to make it a group of 3. Okay, so that's why it will become like 2 power 3, again 2 power 3, again 7 power 3. So we can say like 2 2 and 7 power 3. Okay, so this number is complete, I mean of what cube? Which number cube? So it will be like 4 multiplied by 7, 28 cube is equal to this one. Okay, so the answer will be smallest number, by which smallest number we have to multiply to make it 10976. That number is 2. Okay, sorry, that not cube of this number will be, cube of this number is not this one. When you multiply by 2, it will be 21952. Okay, because we have to multiply this by 2 also, because right, we have to multiply this by a smallest number, that is 2, to make it is a perfect cube. Okay, so this is your 2 answer, and like this we have to solve the cube and cube roots. Is it clear? Okay, because see, now we will solve some PYQs, because when I mean cube and cube roots are just a small things, and when you solve the PYQs you will understand like how they are asking the questions, how UPSC is framing the questions. Okay, and then you will understand the level of the questions. Fine, so let's see. So this question is from UPSC 2020. So look at this question. They are asking the largest number among the following. We have to find which number is largest. So just look at this one. Whenever the power is negative, just try to make it positive. Okay, because in negative form it is difficult to solve. Okay, and I have told you, like whenever there is a negative power like power b, we can write it is like 1 by a power b. Okay, when we can make it reciprocal, then power will be positive. So for this one it will be, when you write the reciprocal of 1 by 2, that will be 2, and power will be power 6, negative to positive. Similarly it will be power 4, 4 power 3, this will be 3 power 4, this will be 6 power 2. Okay, now we have to make we have to solve this one like this. Like what we can do is, this is 2 square and power is 3, so it will be 2 power 6. By the method it will be 2 power is 2 multiplied by 3, that will be 2 power 6. Okay, so this is, and this one is same. Okay, next thing is 6 power 2. Here you can simply write the expanded form, the value of this one. Like 2 to the power 6 is what? Okay, so 2 to the power 6 is equal to, that means 64. Okay, 2 power 5 is 32, power 6 is 64, this value is also 64. Again 3 power 4 is what? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, this is 9, this is 9, that means this is 81. Okay, and finally 6 square is equal to 36. Okay, now you can see which number is largest. This 81 is largest. Okay, that means your option number C is correct one. Okay, and sometimes you can just compare. Whenever this type of question is given, you can compare this one. Okay, so one comparison is the concept of comparison is what? Like whenever we have to see what, like whenever a is given, like whenever the base is given a power b and here is a power c, when power is greater, like if b is greater than c, in that case this one is greater. Okay, fine. But whenever a and b, this base is different, let's say this is m power b and this is n power c. Okay, but this base is, again b is greater than c, in that case also many times you can see like this one is greater value, this one have a greater value. Okay, like here you can see this one is, okay, 3 power 4. Okay, if you are not getting how to compare this one, 3 power 4 is equal to what? This is 81 and this will be 6 square is equal to 36. Okay, one more method is there, like you can make the power same. This is same, this is 2 power 6, this is 2 power 6, this can't be the answer. Okay, here you can make it square of 9, this is 9 square and this is 6 square, that means this is a greater value. If you are not able to find the value of this one, like this 81 or 36, if you are not getting this one, you can make it the same power or same base, and like that you can compare the things. Okay, fine. And what I was giving you an example, like if it is given like 2 power 5 and 5 power 2, which one is greater? Okay, so what I was trying to say is, whenever the base is different and power is also different, so just look at the power, which power has a greater value, that value has, that complete value is larger. Okay, this value will be a larger value. Okay, this will be a smaller value. But you have to see the base also, sometimes you have to see the base also. Like if it is written like 6 square, okay, in place of 5 it is written 6 square, so you have to consider that one also. So it is not true every time, we have to see the base also. Okay, so that's it. So here this value is 2 power 5 is 32, and this value is 25, and this value is 36. Okay, that's why I was saying, like, sometimes it can be possible like this value is greater, but we have to see the base also. Base is also important. Okay, so now look at the next question. The question is from UPSC 2020. So it is asking, like, for what value of n the sum of digit in the number, whatever number is there, like if it is a number is 121. Okay, the sum of digit is here 4. So we are asking, like, whatever the number is there, the sum should be 2. Okay, like that. So here whatever the option is given, sometimes you have to go through the options. Okay, like first option is given, like for n is equal to 0 only. Okay, and second option is given for any whole number. Actually this is from number system, but I think the Surds and Indices topic is also there. Okay, we have to understand the power thing, right? So whenever you write n is equal to 0, it will be like 10 power 0 plus 1. So this one is 10 power 0 is 1. This is the property of that one, power indices. Okay, power and exponent. So it will be 1 and plus 1. Okay, this will be 2. So this is only 2. The number is 2 itself. So actually the sum is also 2, right? Fine. So the option is n is equal to 0 only. So I think this is not possible. Why? Because if you can see the other whole numbers, 0 is also whole number, right? But other whole numbers means 0 to infinity. So you can say like 10 power, in place of n we are writing 1. So it will be plus 1. It will be 10 plus 1, that is 11. 11 means what? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we are getting again 2. 10 square plus 1, it is 100 plus 1, that is 101. Again 1 plus 0 plus 1, that will be 2. So similarly, whenever you can write any power of 10 and you have to add 1, and that will be like, this is 101. Again you will have what, 100 cube, so it will be 1000. Okay, so it will be 1001, like this we will have. So any numbers you will get, the sum will be 2 only. Okay, that means for any whole number the option will be, I mean the your answer will be 2. Okay, next options are like for any positive integers n only, or for any real numbers n only. Okay, so I think for any positive n, so in case of that integer, 0 is not included. So that's why C is not true. For any real numbers, in case of real numbers, the fraction is also included. That's why that's also not true. That's why only B is there. Okay, B is your option. That's why I was not writing that option 3 and 4. So I think you understood this one. Okay. So next question is, okay, this question is from UPSC, I think which number? 2024. Okay, year 2024. So question is triple two power triple three plus triple three power triple two is divisible by which number? Okay, so actually this is from number system, but the concept of power and indices is there. Okay, that's why we are discussing this one. Okay, so which number we have to take common? Whenever we have to find the divisible number, I mean it is divisible by which number, we have to find the common in both. Okay, so let's write this one, triple two power triple three plus triple three power triple two. Okay, so we have to make a common number. So here we can write like this is yes, triple one power triple three multiplied by 2 power triple three. Okay, plus what? 3 power triple two triple two multiplied by triple one power triple two. Okay, so here you can see we can take a common from this one. Okay, we may take common triple one. Okay, and power should be triple two, right? And here it will be triple one power is triple one multiplied by 2 power is triple three, and here is 3 multiplied, I mean power is triple two. Okay, so I know this is very difficult to solve this one, but you can see like this is triple one power triple two. Okay, and we have to find the divisibility of this one. So can we take only triple one? Okay, and when you prime factor this one, it will be like, when you prime factor this one by 3, it will be 30. Okay, 21 37. Okay, so it will be like 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 37. Okay, so it is clear, like it can be 3 and 37, but can it be 2 or not? So here we can see this number triple two is what? Even or odd? There is a concept of even and odd number. So this is even number. Even number power is anything. If you write the power of anything, I mean if you write the power even number and the power is anything, that number will be even number, right? Like the number is 2. If you write the power anything, that whatever number you will get, that number is even. Okay, and this is a odd number, and in case of odd number, whatever the power is there, you will get always odd number. And whenever you add odd and even, that number is always odd number. Okay, so can we divide a odd number by 2? Tell me. Never. We can't divide an odd number by 2. That's why 2 is not a factor. Okay, so 3 and 37 is the answer. So 3 and 37, but not 2. Here B is your option. So you can try logic, you can try concept. Okay, whatever you can try, you can try. Okay, so I think sometimes in UPSC they are not asking the direct question, they are just twisting the questions. Okay, they are checking your concept, like how strong your concepts are. That's why I'm saying like you have to build your concept strong. Okay, so let's look at the next question. Okay, this is very beautiful question. So question is from 2024 only. Okay, so it is asking what is the rightmost digit preceding the 0 in 30 power 30. Look at this question. What they are asking, if you are writing anything, like let's see, the answer is 111000. I'm not saying this is the correct answer, I'm just giving you an example. Like let's say the answer is this one. Okay, when you expand this one, your answer is this one. It is asking the rightmost digit preceding the 0. Like this is 0, rightmost digit is this one. We have to find this digit. Okay, and now you are thinking like it's very difficult question. How can you solve this one? But I can tell you that this is very easy question. How? Look at this. Like 30 power 30. Can you write 3 multiplied by 10 power is 30? Can you write 3 power 30 and 10 power 30? Whatever 0 is there, we are separating this one. Just go. Okay, we are removing the 0 means we are removing the 10. Now we have left only the numbers, whatever the power, whatever the value numbers we are getting from this one, 3 power 30. Okay, now look at the cycle. Okay, the periodicity, like 3 power 1 is equal to 3. You everyone know this one. 3 power 2 is equal to what? 9. 3 power 3 is equal to 27. 3 power 4 is equal to 81. again when you write 3 power 5 it will be 243. You can see the unit digit, we have to see the only unit digits. Here you can see after 4 number the unit digit is repeating. Okay, so whatever the power is there we have to divide by 4. Whatever the repeating cycle is there we have to divide by that cycle number. Okay, so 30 that is divided by 4 it will be like 7 times it will be 28. We have only 2 as remainder, so we can write 3 power 28 and multiply it by 3 square. Okay, so this will be like this will end here, one by one it will end, and we will have only this one 3 power 2 and that will 9. That means whatever the number is there after before the 0 that number is 9. Okay, that's why we have to understand the cyclicity, the periodicity. Okay, so your answer is 9. The option was 1, 3, 7 and 9, so answer is 9. I think you understood this one. It was very easy and very conceptual. Okay, and this type of question they are repeating. They are repeating every year, almost every year after 1 or 2 years. Like this, they are repeating. That's why I'm just saying that just understand this one. How to proceed this type of question. Understand this one. Okay, fine. Okay, this is your next question from 2024, and we have discussed this question in I think in video, separate video or shorts. So it is given like 32 power 5 plus 2 power 27 is divisible by what number? Okay, so you can try this yourself, and it's very easy. Just try it yourself. Okay, and okay, look at this. How I am solving this one. Okay, 32 means what? 32 means this is 2 power 5. So can we write 2 power 5 to power 5? Okay, plus 2 power 27. Okay, so this value will be 2 power 25. Okay, why? This 5 and this 5 will get multiplied. Okay, and here is 2 power 27. Now can we take common from this both numbers? So here we can take 27 as a common, sorry, not 27, we can take 25 as a common. So here is 1 and this will be what? This will be 2 power 2. So here is 2 power 25 and this one is 1 plus 4, and here we will have 2 power 25 and this is 5. But you can see there is no 5, this is 3, 7, 10, 11. Okay, so can we take 1 2 from this one? So it will be like 2 power 24 and this will be 2 multiplied by 5, that will be 10. So here that means our option is this 10. Okay, so complete number is divisible by 10, or whenever the numbers are like what are the numbers, it will be 2 and 5 both. That's why they are giving here 10. Okay, like this we have to understand. Or second method is yes, one more method is there, very very logical method, like 32 power 5. This is the even number. You know this is even number. Even number power is anything that is the even number. Okay, again even number power is anything that is even number. Okay, adding even that is even. Okay, and whenever there is the even, what can be the factors? Okay, factors of this even number, always even number. Okay, first of all that number is even number. Okay, so that will be a 10. Okay, if you see the option, this 10 is only a even number here, so that means your 10 is your answer. Okay, is it clear? This type of logic you can apply there. Okay, or you can solve like this one. Fine. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, this question is from UPSC 2022, and again we have to find which one is the smallest. Okay, same method we have to apply, but here you can see the power is more. Okay, so we can't say the what number, I mean directly we can find the value. We have to apply the laws or concept. Okay, it is given 2 power 40. Okay, this is 3 power 21, this is 4 power 18. So in case of 4 we can write 2 square, so it is 18. So here we can say 2 multiplied, I mean power is 2 multiplied by 18, that is 2 power 36. So here when you compare this one, so which one is the smallest? Okay, 40 or 36? Obviously 36 is smallest. You can cancel this one. Okay, next is 8 power 12. So in case of 8 we can say 2 power 3, and here is 12, so it is 3, sorry not 3, it is 2 power is 3 multiplied by 12, that is 2 power 36. And again here you can see that both numbers are same. Okay, and here is 3 power 21. So in this case, first of all you know like two numbers are same, so it can be your answer. So similarly you can say like this is your answer. Okay, like that you can say, or you can try like this is 2 power 36 and this is 3 power 21. Obviously this is more power, this is less power, this is smallest. Okay, by logic you can say like this is smallest number. Is it clear? Okay, and if you are going to expand this one like 3 multiplied by 3 like this like 21 times, it is very difficult task. I know you have to solve many questions to qualify CSAT. You are not going to solve this one question only. That's why I am saying you have to apply logics. Okay, rather than hard work. Fine. Okay, moving to the next question then. Okay, this question is from UPSC 2023. So question is, what is the unit digit in the expansion of this one? Okay, actually this is from number system, but we can apply the power and indices, I mean power and expansion, that topic we can apply there. Okay, so whenever this type of question, we have already solved this type of question, that in zero number we have to find the rightmost digit. Okay, similarly we have to find the unit digit. Okay, so whenever this type of question they are asking, we have to see only this one. Okay, like this number will decide that like this is a even number, odd number, or whatever the unit digit, this will decide. Okay, so we have to see 2 power what number, this number. Okay, 9 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 sorry 5, 3 and 1. When you multiply this one, let's see, this is 63, this is 15, 63 and this is 15. When you multiply this one, it is like 15, 5 carry 1, 31, 6, 3, 5, 4 and this is 9. Okay, I think I have done it right. Okay, 945. Fine. Now we have to find the cycle of this one. Like 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is equal to what? 8, not 6. Okay, I know you can write here 6, but it's not 6, it's power 8. I mean it is 8. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 2 power 5 is equal to 32, sorry, 32. So now here you can see like it is repeating, the unit digit is repeating after every 4. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to divide this number by 4. Okay, so it will be like by 2 it is 8, 14. Okay, by 3 it is 12, 25. By 6 it is 24. We have 1 left out, so it is 2 power is 2, 3, 6 multiplied by 4. Okay, and here is 2, single 2. Okay, So this is only left out. So this is your cycle. This will end here, and when you multiply this complete number, when the digit is 6, unit digit is 6, and when you multiply the unit digit by 2, we will have the unit digit as 2. Okay, that means your answer will be 2. Options are 2, 4, 6 and 8. So answer will be 2. Is it clear? So like this, we have to find the cycle of this one. Okay, whenever this type of question asks, like unit digit or whatever this one, we have to find the cyclicity. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Okay, this will be your last question, and this question is from UPSC, which year? 2021. Okay, so question was, if 3 power 219 is divided by 10, what is the remainder? Okay, so we have to find this one. So same concept we are applying here. See, we have to understand like this one. This is your divisor. Okay, this is your dividend. Okay, this is your quotient, and here is your remainder. Okay, so what I am trying to say is, your divisor is always smaller than dividend and remainder also. Okay, remainder should be less than divisor. Okay, that's why this is a remainder. Okay, so whenever like it is given 3 power 2019, when it is divided by 10, we have to find the remainder. So if I say this is 3, when 3 is divided by 10, obviously this is only remainder. When in place of 3 we have written here 3 square, that is 9, or okay 27. 3 cube is 27. When 27 is divided by 10, it is remainder will be 7. So what I am saying is, whatever your unit digit is there, whatever the unit digit there, that unit digit is your remainder. Are you getting my point? Okay, that means you have to find the unit digit of this one. Okay, so in case of unit digit, what we have to do? Same thing. Okay, so understand what I am always trying to say is, in UPSC question may be different, but the concept is always the same. Okay, they are asking the same concept repeatedly. Okay, that's why I am saying you have to understand the concept. So here what we have to see is, we have to see the cyclicity of 3, and we know the cyclicity is 4. Okay, because we right now we have solved that one, but still we are trying. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, and 3 power 3 is 27, and power 4 is 81, and power 5 is 243. That means it is repeated by after 4. Okay, cyclicity is 4. Okay, so we have to divide 2019 by 4, so it will be 5. Here is 20, again 0, it will be 1, then okay 9, and here is 4, 16. Okay, so 3 will be your remainder. I have done something right. Okay, there is a twist here. Like, yes, we have got 3, and 3 is not the remainder. Okay, yes, the option is 1, 3, 7 and 9. Just whenever you find this one not right, like 3 is remainder, this 3 is your power of this one. Like when you write this one, it is like 3, and power is 504 multiplied by 4. Okay, and again 3 multiplied by 3. So this is your cycle, complete cycle. Okay, and this is your get the last number, like this is your 27, and when this is divided by 10, your remainder is 7. Got it? So when you are getting this one 3, don't just write that like 3 is your remainder. Your remainder is 7. Okay, 7 is your answer. Okay, so be careful while solving the questions and understand the concepts. Okay, and I think I have covered everything in with respect to the UPSC syllabus and PYQs. And if there is anything left out, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, and if you're liking my explanation, or if you are benefiting through the explanation, you can like the video and share with your friends. Okay, and have a good day. Bye, take care. Jai Hind.